Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add custom font to your signature on Gmail. So first of all, head over to mail.google.com or your Gmail account and then click on the gear icon on the top right corner. Click on See All Settings. It will open a new page. You have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and find the signature. Now what you have to do is open another tab and you have to open an untitled document in Google Docs. Now you have to type in your signature, for instance. So let's suppose this is my signature. I will increase the font size, I'll make it bold, and I can change the font to whatever I want. Now let's suppose these are my signatures. What I will do, I will copy them, go back, now click on create new signature. Now give any name, for instance my sigs, and I will click on create. Now once created, I will type or paste the copied signature to this text box. As you can see, this is not exactly the same font, but the color is blue. But don't worry, what you have to do is click on Save Changes. Now once you send your signature to anyone, it will be shown in this format. You can always test your signature to your own email by sending an email to yourself and check if the signatures are correct or not. And that's simply how you can add custom font to your signature on Gmail. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.